Good morning, students. Welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School. Hope you all understand previous session and submit the assignment in the prescribed mail. Okay. Today we are going to see electric field due to a dipole. The dipole are in the axial line. This is the dipole are in the axial line are located in the same line. Okay. Also the charge placed in the same line. This is called the axial line. In the same line. Suppose the charge is 1 coulomb. How much field is created or how much field is existing? Okay, now we are going to calculate. Okay, so two charges are their distance is C2A. Here A and A. This is center point. Okay. Therefore, the dipole moment. See here P vector is a dipole moment in the direction of A to B. Here this is the direction A to B. Here what is R? R is a distance from the charge and this center of dipole. This is R from the charge and the center of dipole. Okay. Therefore, what is the field created? What is the field created here? Due to plus Q. What is the field created here? Due to plus Q is given by, that is called E vector plus. See, this is here, this is positive charge here created, here on charge. Therefore, E vector plus is acting this direction. Here this is negative Q vector, negative charge. So the field direction is this direction. This is a repulsion direction, this is attraction direction. Therefore, here this E vector plus equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A whole square. What is R minus A? I am going to calculate from this to here. So fully from O to C is R. So I am going to calculate only for what? B to C. Okay. Therefore here totally R, this distance is A. So this is R minus A whole square into P cap. Okay. So now this is equation number 1. Now the charge created due to the negative charge. What is the charge created in the due to the negative charge is given by, what is the field? That field, this E vector minus is created due to this charge. That is E vector minus equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by, what is the distance here? Tell me. So from up to this is R. Here from this O to A is A. Therefore R plus A whole square into P cap. This is equation number 2. So what is E plus? Field due to charge plus Q. E vector minus is what? E vector minus field due to this negative charge. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay. Therefore, we are going to calculate E total equal to, what is that? E vector plus E vector minus. So I am going to substitute here the value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r minus a whole square minus of this value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r plus a whole square. Here p cap, here also p cap, unit vector. Okay, unit vector from negative charge to positive charge. Okay, so I am going to write. So here q is taking outside, therefore q by 4 pi epsilon naught p cap into 1 by r minus a whole square minus 1 by r plus a whole square. Okay, so I am going to write q by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is, I am taking LCM here. What is that? R minus a whole square, r plus a whole square. So in the numerator, r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square into unit vector p. Okay, I am going to multiple q by 4 pi epsilon naught. So in the denominator, what is the denominator value is? So I am going to multiple a minus b whole square formula, a plus b whole square formula. So r square minus 2ra plus a square multiple of a plus b whole square formula, r square plus 2ra plus a square. In numerator also, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, that is r square plus 2ra plus a square minus of a minus b whole square, r square minus 2ra minus a square. Okay, so next, so q by 4 pi epsilon naught. So I am going to multiple first r square into r square, r power 4, r square plus r square into 2ra plus 2r cube a. Next, plus r square a square. So I am going to multiple another value minus 2ra into r square minus 2r cube a. Okay, minus of 4 r square a square. Okay, next minus 2 r a cube, this value into this value. Next, a square into r square plus a square r square, this value, plus 2r a cube, this value, a square into a square a power 4. This is what? Denominator. In numerator, I am going to write, so taking this minus inside bracket, r square plus 2ra plus a square minus of r square plus 2ra plus a square into the unit vector p cap. Okay, so here which one is cancel? See this, r square cancel. Another one is a square cancel. Here 2r r cube a minus 2r cube a. Another one is this term is cancelled. Okay, so remaining term is I am going to write that is E total equal to, that is q by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the numerator term? 4RA in the denominator r power 4 minus 2 r square a square plus a power 4 into the unit vector p cap. Okay, that is q by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is 4RA. See, this is the formula. I am writing one simple method, r square whole square minus 2 r square a square plus a square whole square into p cap. So that is q by 4 pi epsilon naught. See the equation, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I am writing r square minus a square whole square. Okay, numerator is 4RA to p cap. Therefore, this E total is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught. I am splitting this 2 into 2RA divided by r square minus a square whole square into p cap. Okay, suppose the distance r is very much greater than a, so r square minus a square is approximately equal to r square. So we can write E total equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 into 2RA divided by r power 4 into p cap. So here one r is cancelled, so remaining is 2 into q 2a p cap divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. Previously we know that what is dipole moment. The dipole moment p vector equal to 2qa p cap. So I am substituting. So what is the equation? E total equal to, what is the equation? 2 p vector divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. Okay. So the field is decided by this dipole moment and the distance r. This is very important. The field is decided by p is a dipole moment and r. Thank you.